Kitcha, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KitchTube HD. Today is one of my biggest fans' birthday, Maureen. Happy birthday, Maureen, and may God bless you with all the good things. Hope you have a very good birthday, okay? Today, I'm going to make a special dessert. It's very popular in the Middle East. It's called kunafa. It's one of my favorite desserts. And today I'm going to make it. So let's start. In a saucepan, add corn flour. Add milk into it. Mix a little bit. Rest of milk, and make sure it's lump free. Next, add cream and condensed milk. Over here, add it nicely. Cream, everyone loves cream. And condensed milk. Okay, cook it in medium heat until it thickens. The custard is thickened and it's ready. Let it cool down. Now let's get the kunafa dough or the kataifi ready. Then add butter. If you want, it's optional. You can add food coloring, orange food coloring. Let me add it. Now add the melted butter to the kunafa dough. Now mix it. Mix until it's evenly coated. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I've kept it preheated over there. Okay, mix it nicely. Let's exchange places. Transfer the kunafa dough into a greased baking dish. I'm transferring half of it. Flatten it and cover the sides as well. Now I'm going to add the custard. Let's add the cheese. Take that. I love cheese. I'm gonna add so much. Cheese. Okay. Cover it up with the remaining kunafa dough. Okay, decoration, let's add pistachios. Bake it for 20 to 30 minutes until lightly brown. Let's make the sugar syrup. In the saucepan, add sugar, Next, add the water. Keep it in medium heat until the water boils. After it boils, add the lime juice and let it thicken for 8 to 10 minutes. The water is starting to boil. Now let me add the lime juice. Now wait for it to thicken. The sugar syrup has thickened lightly. Switch it off. Okay. Let's take the kunafa now. The kunafa is ready. I baked it for around 30 minutes and let's pour the hot sugar syrup over the kunafa. And our kunafa is ready. Cool it for around 30 minutes before you serve. Thank you for watching KitchenTube HD. Maureen, this is a special dish for you. Happy birthday. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye. Balle balle. When will this be done? Okay, now give me this kunafa. Okay, now give me